Here at Winkloff Bioindustries we produce probiotics as food supplements, and we sell these probiotics worldwide in a business-to-business private label market, and we do this since 20 years. Probiotics are food supplements containing so-called healthy bacteria, which play an important role in the ecology in our gut, and in this way also in supporting our health. 20-25 years ago, the mainstream interest in the medical world was very pharma orientated, and in those days there was very little interest for a very complex thing like the gut flora. Besides, we did not have the ways to research it. But this has changed now. We have all kinds of modern techniques to look at the gut flora, which helps us to understand what's happening in the gut. And from there we can study the influence of our bacteria on the gut ecology, which we do in the lab here. And from there we make targeted products for certain applications.
In product development we use two aspects. We gain a lot of know-how of the individual ingredients. We have about 100 active individual ingredients, 100 bacteria, that we want to know what their characteristics are. We want to know what they are doing. So we have a large database on that. On the other hand, we talk with a lot of academic hospitals, trying to find what the relation is between different diseases and your intestinal flora. So the know-how, our own know-how of the bacteria that we have, in combination with the know-how that we get from the university hospitals, we bring together, and that's the foundation of our product development. Based upon this knowledge, we make various types of probiotics. We make general probiotics for general application to support the intestinal health in a general way, but we also make targeted probiotics for specific diseases. So in that we look specifically what is going on with allergy and intestinal flora, with IBD and intestinal flora, and therefore we make specific mixtures to work on a specific target. An example of these specific formulations is a product called Ecologic Relief. This is a product designed in collaboration with the Children's University Hospital of Amsterdam, designed to reduce side effects of constipation, specifically children's constipation. There we selected bacteria that enhance the bowel movement, and together with the academic hospital we have conducted also a trial showing an effect by children who are constipated, that they have less problems with their constipation. So product development we do in collaboration with many university hospitals. Selling of our products we do in collaboration with marketing companies. For every product we try to find a unique marketing company for every country, which has a strong position in that particular area. And by that way we can spread out the formulation throughout the whole world.
For a company of ourselves, being in Amsterdam is a nice thing. There is an active biomed cluster Amsterdam of different companies being active in biotechnology, medical applications, and beside, over 90% of our business is export. So most of our customers, when they visit us, they rather come to Amsterdam than somewhere else in the country. So it's practical for us to be here. We're quite happy.